Yo, greetings and salutation, ladies and gentlemen. We're still at Project 1000 trays, right? So here we go. We've got orders going on right here. If your order is not amongst these, you better make sure that you position yourself, ladies and gentlemen. We are going for 1000 trays. We're definitely going for 1000 trays. These are Yes Let's Eggs. Remember, it's a fundraising initiative for the Yes Let's Experimental Festival, right? The festival has happened, but the Yes Let's is a process that is happening until next year, right? When the shows that showcase at the festival are fully fledged, developed. You understand? So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, for the possibility of this process, we definitely need you. And we want you to be a sponsor in the Yes Let's, to be an investor in the Yes Let's, right? Because this is one of the festivals that are going to become one of the biggest in the country. You understand? So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, a tray goes for just 100 rand, right? It's 30 eggs in a tray. 100 rand.
Organic.
Farm fresh, organic from free range chickens, ladies and gentlemen. You understand? So make sure that you put in your order so that you can make it on the guest list. Is it a guest list?
No. Well, you become part of the funder and the sponsor of this initiative, Yes Let's Experimental Festival. So if you get to buy yourself a tray before we reach 1000, then you become part of the Club 1000. Club 1000 is one of the biggest club and biggest initiative that we have. So make sure that you get yourself a tray so that you become part of Club 1000. Then you can tell people that you have sponsored one of the biggest festivals, Yes Let's Experimental Festival.
Absolutely. So to everyone that has already put their orders, we are well over 250,000, ladies and gentlemen. We are over 250 trays already sold. We are basically few trays. Amongst these trays, we are on 300 trays. You understand? So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, your support is highly appreciated. Let's go.
Yes, please make sure that you purchase, place your order anytime. Tell us, contact us, ladies and gentlemen. This is Yes Let's Eggs. We are saying Yes Let's Experimental Festival. We are saying let's experiment with eggs. You can do anything that you can think with eggs. Eggs, you experiment. So ladies and gentlemen, make sure that you place your order. Become part of Club 1000. Become a sponsor. With your help, with just one order, you don't have to do much, just one order of tray, and then you become a sponsor. But also, if you don't eat eggs, it's fine. Just buy a tray and then we donate it to one of the people that might eat eggs. So please make sure, ladies and gentlemen, that you place your order and become part of #Club 1000.
Let's go.